Hey y'all, I just want to do a quick update. And I installed these Hidden Harvest grow lights in here 3 days ago. And I did a video, you can view the video from 3 days ago. And I showed you all the different growing techniques you can do. And showed you the moss and the little starter cups and all that. But I want to show you the light that I was using with this. This is a 2x4 grow tent. And I was using this 4-bulb high output fluorescent. And see if I can't get a shot of this, just so you can see it for yourself. This is 216 watts, okay? I don't know if you can see it very well or not, but it's 216 watt bulb or fixture I was using in here. I replaced it with the Hidden Harvest, and each panel here is 36 watts. So I'm using 72 watts now. So I cut it from using 216 watts to 72 watts. And in 3 days, I don't know if you guys can notice, but look at those lettuce heads. They have just, in 3 days, have gotten a lot bigger. It's unbelievable. And look at this. I got starters already coming in. 3 days. Look at that right there. 3 days. This one hasn't started yet, but I'm sure it won't be long. But that's pretty impressive. This plant's still doing really well. So I just thought I'd share that. Keep in mind, I show all these little systems, but these grow systems here are all indoor and outdoor. So you can bring this in the wintertime, do your thing, and then throw it outside for your summer months, and you know, do the same kind of techniques. And another mention is I can do so many funky things with this grow system. I can do vertical stuff. I could do wall mount stuff, doing vertical things. I could fill up a whole wall with Riverponics and do a vertical grow, and just use like shelving brackets or whatever. You know, I mean, it's endless what you can do. So I just want to keep that in perspective. And I know you just see one tier, you know, this and that, but you know, I can only do so much. But this is where it's at. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Hidden Harvest. Your lights are doing a hell of a job. Peace.